Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 4K to show up as an option under resolution. So if it's not showing up on your Xbox Series X or S, let's go to Settings, go to General, go to TV and Videos. And you can see mine is showing up under here, but it wasn't like a second ago. So what I did is I went over to Video Fidelity and Overscan and just switch this from HDMI to automatic or automatic to HDMI. So if you got your automatic detected, let's go to HDMI and then just use the manual settings under here and you can adjust everything by yourself. So you can see I have to readjust everything. So every time I do this, it's going to kick out my signal and it's going to restart it. So I can change this to 36-bit right here for the color depth. And then I want to go to video mode and allow 4K under here. If you don't allow the 4K, it won't show up under resolution. So that's very important. It says my TV won't support it. So that's kind of annoying. So what I want to do is go back over to Video Fidelity and Overscan, and then switch back to Auto Detect Recommended. So let's switch this back over. And I think this is giving me that error because I have a capture card. So every time you select something, it's going to restart. You can see no signal on my screen. And then just go to keep. All right, so now that I switch it back and forth, let's go to video mode. And now when I hit allow 4K, it's going to restart once again. I can go back over to my resolution. It will show up under that screen. So let's go to keep. And then no signal again, which is annoying. Then we can back out resolution. There's 4K as an option. So before it would only display 1440p. So very easy to get that show up. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.